Hola and welcome to Kim at Home. In today's video, I have like 3 days of doing miscellaneous things around my home. The first thing I want to do is show you these towel racks that I have, and I'm going to put them up in my bathroom. Here's the thing, I have 3 bathrooms. None of them have towel holders. The only towel holders that are in there are the ones that we put in there ourselves. So this is gonna come in handy. This one is actually a toilet paper holder, and it's great because in my daughter's bathroom, they have like a contraption that holds the toilet paper. The reason that they don't have one in their bathroom is because their bathroom was remodeled and I never put one in there. So this is gonna come in handy. I haven't made the decision as to where these two will go, but maybe you can make that decision with me. I'll take you right along. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M, and this is my home. I'm going to show you around to the things that I will be working on today, and I hope that you get some tips and some positivity out of this video. Here are my handy dandy information and instructions on exactly how to put it together, what to do, and all of that great stuff. It's very self-explanatory, which I like. It's simple to follow, which I really love. So not only will I be handling that, but I will also be doing some things around the house. It's like 3 days of just random tasks, no like whole house clean or anything like that. So if that's something that you're looking for, I am not your girl. For me, my mental health is very important. So I like to make sure that I straighten up every single day so that I'm not like overwhelmed or anxious, because nobody wants to be like that. Before you leave out, please subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. We're trying to keep up with our homes, our family, our jobs, all of that great stuff. That is why I call us the Keep Up Crew. Made you say it. Me about my drawers. Yes, they are messy. All of the drawers in my house are messy, so you know what? These had to follow suit as well. So this drawer right here is the drawer that has the most organization anywhere that Kim has to do with. Another thing is, I'm sure you guys don't have the issue of your dishwasher not drying things all the way, even with the heat warmer, but my dishwasher is really, really old. So yeah, it doesn't dry things all the way all the time. Sometimes it does. How are you guys doing today? What's been going on? Leave a comment down below. Are any of you going to be taking some end of summer trips? That was a tongue twister. A few tips for you. If you use gloves to wash dishes, be sure to wash them after you wash your dishes because they have like, you know, gross stuff all over them. The other thing is be sure to dry out your sink because your sink will, you know, be preserved longer and love you even more. Not exactly what I came in here to do, but I'm a very random person, and I think that's why my house stays tidy, because if I see something that does not look right or it's out of place, it's not in its home, it looks dirty, I just go ahead and clean it. So I cleaned these mirrors probably, I think I cleaned all my mirrors someday last week, but this one just had all kind of splatters on it, so I wanted to clean it. Anyway, the reason we are in this bathroom, this is the bathroom on my first floor, is because I eventually want to get rid of this thing right here because it's really just, I just need to get rid of it. I want to put this in here so that there will be some sort of towel rack in some way that you can dry your hands. I think I'm going to put it here. I want to show you my handy dandy tool bag. Everything is messy in the bag. Things are falling out, but it kind of just goes with all the drawers and closets in my home. Everything's messy. This is what I will be using. I'll show you. So the directions call for a drill, a hammer, a Phillips screwdriver, and little trinkets like the screws. Locate the mounting bracket on the wall where desired. Drill a quarter hole into the wall at the marked location. So then you have to tap the anchors and I got this. I got this. Watch and learn, people. Watch and learn. Ooh, that made a mess down there. Prior to drilling, I did mark the holes. Here's the location of my mounting bracket, so I had to use this to get this out. Step 5 is to place the unit over the mounting bracket so that everything can, line up. And then I'll have to use this again to tighten everything up. Just watch, okay? Just watch and see. Because I'm probably not explaining it correctly. Did you see that? Did you see that? I feel so accomplished. Like I said, if I can do it, you can do it. It was very easy. I probably should have put it up higher on my end, but that's okay. It looks good. It is very sleek. It's black. It's matte black. And y'all know I love matte black anything. So I'm really, really digging it. Now off for the other two. And I'll probably just do one more because I can't make a decision on where I want the other one to go. And I'm just too indecisive to think about it. So I'll probably ask my husband what he thinks. Between the mirror and the actual towel holder, your girl is feeling it, okay? The next place that I want to put the toilet paper holder, as I previously stated, is in my kids' bathroom. There is the toilet paper holder that I was telling you guys about. So here's the cabinet next to the toilet, and I want to put it right here. It's the exact same concept with this, probably really bad lighting. So yeah, the exact same concept. It was at this very moment that I got nervous. My daughter suggested that I put it on the wall. This is the bathroom that was remodeled, and I really didn't want to put a hole in the cabinet. And then I realized I drilled the holes upside down. The toilet paper holder, it normally goes horizontal or sideways. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But since the holes were drilled incorrectly, I just decided to put it up like this, and it would be easier to come off like, a paper towel holder. And this still counts as a win. If you or someone you know are in the market for some different towel holders, check out Huron. I will leave the information below in my description box. This is so random, but they were actually really smooth and soft to touch. I know that's random, but Kim is random. Okay, so now I have to go because I'm hungry, so I'm in my kitchen about to throw down. I hope all of you have been taking the opportunity to love on yourself, say your affirmations, and spend some quality time alone. We all need that in our lives. It helps us to treat ourselves better and other people. I recently read a quote that says, know who you are, know what you want, know what you deserve, and don't settle for less. All I'm saying is don't shortchange yourself. How we treat people is a reflection of how we are feeling about ourselves on the inside. So just love on yourself because you are loved. I think I like it. I have to travel out of town, so I'm gonna go in this messy closet and find something to wear. Got nothing to lose, 'cause I think I like you. Sometimes when you are in a space and it drives you crazy, it's time to straighten it up. But don't be thinking I'm about to clean all this up and stuff, because I'm not. I'm just gonna straighten up certain things. You're moving just like you own the room. Make it look easy. I wanna take you away to somewhere. I have never used my drone.
I wanna use that.
Yeah, I need to use it.
I see you looking my way.
That literally took me probably about 10 minutes, and you know what? It looks good to me, and that is all that matters. However, I did find my drone. Not that it was lost or anything, but we've had this for several years, and I have never used it.
I can help my own frustration.
Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you. Please remember to hit the like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Really, that's the only way that YouTube knows that my videos are something that people want to watch.
'Cause I think I like you.
Here is what the trash is looking like. I am excited that I got rid of some of that stuff, and I definitely needed a new duster. But yeah, so I started off just wanting to pack my clothes. As I started going through everything, I noticed that things were falling on me and I was stepping on things, and it was just really, really annoying. So I straightened it up, and my husband, he can straighten up his side. That's just how we do things around here. Leave a comment down below if you organize your spouse's area and they actually like when you organize their area. It's not clean. It's not organized or anything like that, but you know, I can see my floor now, whereas before it was looking pretty scary on the floor. I feel like simple things like towel racks that are matte black and really pretty and sleek can really turn up your space. Let me know what projects you're working on. I'm extremely low maintenance, so I don't really need anything else. Don't have to do my hair, and I really don't wear makeup often. Sometimes I wear eyeshadow, but I don't think I'll be wearing eyeshadow this week.
I'll choose you, yeah. I'll choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead.
Here is my plate. I put some barbecue sauce on my wings, and I also put the beans and the green beans on here. With the green beans, that's smoked turkey, so there's a little bit of smoked turkey meat. Thank you again for watching. Bye guys.
I don't wanna seem to shaky.